Hi guys, so I did a little test to try and figure out if we can use some of the pre-existing applications that we already have on the iPad to make your process for filling out forms a little bit easier. So go to the Box app, and what I did was I created a file by printing one of the Excel files, these Burr report, to PDF from just on the desktop. So um, here's the report, and you can see everything's here. Now that it's a PDF, you can open it in Notarize. It's going to import the file. Okay, so now the file's imported. We can hide the sidebar, zoom in, so we can add a text bubble. Project name, and see the font's already pretty small. If you move it up, you can move this up a little bit. So it's centered, and you can fill things out that way. Now let's say that I want to type or make marks underneath the yes, no, or not applicable columns. So we set our pen size to small and to black, and so ground protected, we can say yes. Fire extinguisher, we can say yes. Barricades, yes. And we can go through and mark things down that way. And since we're zoomed in, we can just fill out this whole sheet. Now, signature. I'm doing this with my left hand. Michael. And now we bring back the sidebar. You guys have all done this before. Click on this guy. Choose to share it. Share selected in box. So I navigated in here to D7 test, and I can upload to Box. Or if I want to set up a folder email address, I could email it to a certain folder. And so, let's say that I had a folder email address in my contact list. I could add it here, for example. So this would be an example like upload.files. This would be an example of folder email upload address. So we'll cancel, and then we'll go back to the Box app, and there's our report that we just filled out. And you can see the X's that we have there, and my signature. And so hopefully that's easier than going into like Quick Office or Docs to go and filling out an Excel file.